Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, let's take another example. This example on same. I told you already we are doing the problems on constant accelerated motion. Now the object starts from rest. So it starts from rest, moving with constant acceleration. Now what they are asking, find a ratio of displacements in 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds and so on. This is the question. Now find the ratio of displacement. Now we know clearly displacement in n seconds or t seconds. How do you write displacement in t seconds? So what is that? S is equivalent to ut plus half at square, right? Now anyway it starts from rest, initial velocity is 0. This term is 0. So S is equivalent to half a t square. Of course, acceleration is constant, therefore displacement is directly proportional to t square. Now here t is equivalent to 1, t equivalent to 2 and t equivalent to 3 and so on. Then how do you write S1 is to S2 is to S3 and so on? This must be equivalent to 1 square is to 2 square is to 3 square and so on. So this must be equivalent to 1 is to 4 is to 9 and so on. So this is the ratio of displacements in 1, 2, 3 and so on seconds. Next example, in the above case, find ratio of displacements. Ratio of displacements in first second, second second, third second and so on. Hope you understand the difference. This is a ratio of displacements in 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Now here is the ratio of displacements in first second, second second, third second and so on. Now what is the formula we should use for this? This is nothing but displacement in nth second. Displacement in nth second formula we should use. What is that? Displacement in the nth second u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, right? And again it starts from rest, isn't it? What is the condition? Starts from rest and acceleration is constant. So starts from rest, it's equivalent to 0, initial velocity. So S nth is equivalent to a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Now S nth is equivalent to, of course a by 2 is a constant, we can write proportional to 2n minus 1, where n is equivalent to 1, 2, 3 and so on. If n is equivalent to 1, it is representing displacement in the first second. If n is equivalent to 2, it is representing the displacement in the second second. So how do you take this? This is S first is to S second is to S third and so on. This must be equivalent to, substitute n is equivalent to 1, 2 minus 1, 1 is 2. Substitute n equivalent to 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 is 2. Substitute n equivalent to 3, 6 minus 1, 5 and so on. Now what is the conclusion we can give? If object starts from rest, moving with constant acceleration, the ratio of the displacements in 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds is the ratio of the squares of the integers. Now in the same case, if they ask us to find out the ratio of the displacement in first second, second second, third second, it is nothing but the ratio of the odd integers. Ratio of the odd integers. Yeah, thank you.